Hi, welcome to the another video. First of all, I want to say thank you to you all. You really like my videos. Thank you. God bless you. I make a couple of videos about Uber Eats account, how to deliver, how to make account. So people still struggling. I'm receiving a lot of messages. So try to message me on the WhatsApp. I will try my best to get back to you. But if you have any problem during creating account and your account is stuck, try to speak with Uber. Mostly people have getting difficulties by uploading making proof of video, uploading the DVLA check code, and most 90% people getting on the DBS check. So it's difficult to help. Nobody can help you, trust me. Speak with them if you have any problem. But other some, if you have a technical problem, then I might can help you. So in the DBS, when you do the DBS, please watch this video till to the end. I will try my best to explain you again. So you have to wait for the DBS, because when you do the first process on the Uber Eat, then it's going to take about 48 hours. They send you the link for the DBS, then you click on that link, then follow the step, which is very simple. A lot of people, I don't know why they stuck. Then when you done that, then you have to wait around a month. I got mine in 10 days. Then other people, they having a problem making Uber account. So you must select individual. You're not there's a company and individual, you're working as an individual. Then they will not ask VAT and other thing as well. So I'm gonna make this video now, so please watch this till to the end. Thank you so much. Okay, so you must write apply for Uber Eats. You can do this on the phone and you can do this on laptop as well. So be careful. So select this one, Uber Eats account. Some people apply for the Uber driver. Select for Uber Eats and try not to do any mistake, because they are blocking accounts nowadays. Too many people are applying, so they don't care. If you do a little mistake, they're gonna block your account. So be careful. Select this one. So you must see this delivery bag and person are delivering it. So you should start from there and then get started. So you will see this. You should have a phone number, email address. If you make your account before and is blocked, you can't do it again, because if you change your phone number or anything, it's going to be difficult. So just I'm putting the email. They send you the code to your email now, and put your code here. So they send me a code over here. I'm going to put it here. Yeah, so you have to put your number now here. So you must put the number. So the next, create your account password. You just put the password over here. So click next. So you put your name here. Now we could say that. So just accept this one. Next. So referral code, if you're making this video, so please WhatsApp me. You can see my number on the screen. I will send you the referral code. You might some get money and I get some money as well. And here, so this is very important. So you're working with the Uber driver, black cab, deliver with Uber Eats by bicycle, deliver with Uber Eats by motorbike, by car. So you must select the right one. So I'm doing for the bicycle at the moment. So press continue. So just agree, confirm. So we have to do this step now one by one. The delivery partner onboarding process. So identification, profile photo, bank statement, appropriate equipment. Yeah, so we're gonna do this one step by step now. So if we click this one, so it's coming this one here. If you wanna know, you should click yes, because a lot of people are doing mistake and they're having a problem. So try to read this one if you can. Yeah. So you can island courier onboarding. So this is the process. So then press OK. You're gonna come over here. Yeah. So then when you read this one, you can skip this one as well. Press OK. Then the next step, identification document. So you click here, take a photo of your identification document. So this could be your driving license. If you don't have a driving license, this could be then your passport, or sorry, the provision license you can do as well on the provision license. Okay, so when you upload the document, they say, okay, we are reviewing your documents now. So the next one, then you can now then you can do profile photo, now bank statement, other things, step by step. So instead of taking photo, I'm going to put the bank statement at the moment over here. So take the photo of your bank statement, make sure your name and address should be there. That my identification document is review, a profile photo is review, bank statement is review, then the other one you can do it. Download that. A lot of people do this in I'm using Android. You can use in a laptop, but my device too in mobile, because it's going to be flexible and easy as well. So just write it on Uber driver app. If you go to Play Store, Google Store, then Uber driver app, so try to do the right one, this one. So you just click and install it. So it should look like this Uber driver. Make sure you have the right one, because there's other, some is Uber when you try to go somewhere, you take the taxi, that is Uber as well. Some is Uber Eats, but this is the right one. Make sure you have this one. So you can use the same details when you make the account, log in into the app. So if you click on the first one, appropriate equipment for the food, then it would tell you should have a bag as well. So before it was giving free, now you have to buy it. You have to go to that website, and if you want to buy, you can buy that one as well. So when you click, it will take you there to show you the different option, how much you can get it. So next we're going to go to the text setting. That is important, where the people are doing mistakes. So please watch and follow. Please make sure you select here individual, not legal entity, nothing else, just individual. So the next, they're asking for your name. Put your name, then just put your address as well. It's very simple. So you're going to put your national insurance number. You're not going to put any VAT, because VAT is only for the company. They don't work over here. It's very simple information. Just please fill that one. So you must click this one, that my turnover does not exceed the UK VAT registration threshold. I mean, if you're making above 95,000 a year, then you should click this one. I don't think so you can make this one that's much if you're working as Uber Eats driver. The next step is saying the background check, and I received too many messages. A lot of people stuck over here, so please try to watch very, very carefully. Just you wait. When you do this one, wait and wait. You should not worry. I receive 100 messages. Oh, we fill this form. What we should do? So wait until maybe they might send email, and within 2 days. Sometimes it takes time as well, depend on reviewing your document. But usually 2 to 3 days. Then they send you the link to the email, and here you will be able to go through as well. Means you can be able to do the background check. Okay, after a couple of hours, they send me this one, proof of the right to work, because I have the biometric, which is finished now, but it's online. Everything is online. They are saying to send the share code, but if you have a passport, UK passport, then they might not send it to you. It depends on visa to visa. Just you're gonna then how you can do it. You have to print. Sorry, this one you have to download in PDF. So sometimes they reject. What should you? So you download in PDF, print this out, then take the live photo, and then video verification of your ID document. So you do this as well. It's very simple. You have to take your document with you, and you have to complete this one. They will guide you. It's very simple. I can't make the video here how to do it, because it's going to be difficult. So they say take the mobile in front of you. They say move left, go around like this. So it's going to be very simple. You should not be having a problem to do this. So the video verification, they will show you like this. Then you click submit now. So I received this after 48 hours. It depends very person to person about your documents review, how long it is going to take time. You should not worry. So it will say your link to the background check application. So you click, then you start the process. They will send you the email as well. And the one more thing, a lot of people, they do DBS on the GOV website. Please don't do it. If you're the DBS, you can't work with that. Just you do by Uber process. So you just click that one and start the process. Okay, when you open the email, they should send you a link. So when you click on that link, then they will say login. So here you must use the same email and the password which you use for Uber Eats account. So when you put these details, so when you sign in, then you have to authenticate that you are a real person, because a lot of frauds was going on. Now they are very strict now. So do this step very, very carefully. One person, his brother was doing it. His brother was doing it. Then he went outside. His brother was still doing it. Then one stage came, take the picture. His brother took his picture instead of him. And because of that, it was suspicious. Uber blocked his account forever. Do not try to do these kind of things, please. So very, very carefully. So if you're using this, if you're mobile, so they will send you the link. Means this is the authenticator. You might use it before if you apply for a visa. They use as well. So Google Authenticator, Microsoft is very simple. Might was use the Microsoft Authenticator. So you click that link. Just go to App Stores, download from there. So when you download it, then you're gonna scan this code. So you're gonna use two mobiles now to scan the code, because it's gonna be difficult to do only with one mobile. So when you install the Microsoft Authenticator, it's gonna look like this. So when you open it, it will say to you scan that code. Means in one mobile, if you're doing the application, you should keep that one and download this authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, in another mobile. So when you download it, then you're going to scan this code, which you can see on the screen. Then when you scan, they will give you a code. You're going to put it over here. Hope so you reach on that state. I don't think so. I don't know why people are having a difficulty to do this step. If you're using two mobiles, then it's going to be easy, because the code is going to be on your phone, where you're applying it. Then you're going to download the authenticator on the mobile, scan, get the code, put it here. They just want to verify it. That's it. Then you on that page. So this page, they are saying to you, you should have a document. These documents. So they are saying you should have a photo of your passport, a share code which you have, bank statement, then 5 years worth of address history. So you must put address history. If you're living in the UK for 2, 3, 4 months, is fine. You can put your own country address as well. It's going to be okay. So they're asking a couple of questions. Just write it down. It's going to be a very simple question. It's going to be all United Kingdom. Just press next after that. So the next one, they're asking for the signature. So just put this detail. Is very simple, not hard. The next, they're asking for your phone number, other stuff, just address. Whatever they're asking, just put it. So when you put that one, then we are on the next. That was your information. Now we have to do the document thing. Just put the document, whatever document they're asking, just put that one. It's very simple. It's not going to be hard as well for you. Your passport, whatever you have, your proof of address. This could be bank statement. So when you've done everything, just renew whatever you put the details. Just review it and just submit it. Your information has been submitted. Now you're gonna wait now. Sometimes take a week, sometimes take 10 days, sometimes take a month as well. But if they need something more, they will email you. So you should not worry after this step. I receive about, I would say that 50-60 message. What will happen? Just wait and wait for them to reply back to you. So after 5-6 days, all the document and the DBS check was completed as well. So if I see my app, so it was saying everything is completed. Yeah, so it means I'm ready to go. So if I just click on the app, it's going to be showing me here. So congrats, you are ready to deliver. So a lot of people want to see this message. If you see this message, you are successful. You are ready to go after that. Yeah, so we're done now. So ready to go. You press go, then one action, it will get, they will take your picture, live picture. Then after that, you can you're ready to start work. So you should have your bags, bicycle ready. Then you should turn on. Then I make another video. Just go to my channel and watch that video, how to deliver your first delivery job. It is very simple as well. You should not get panic. But if you still have any question, please you can WhatsApp me. I will try my best to help you. But if you're having a problem to do this application, try to solve with the Sterling team or Uber Eats team, because technical things they can only solve it. Other thing is which I did it here, which is simple. So thank you so much for watching this video. God bless you. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.